Huh? Did she saw that? She saw that. Make that an experience.
Oh.
Don't forget to get registered for the kids' tractor pedal pool down by the old firehouse. Turtle races will start at 10:15.
Let's go around. Damn, look at this awesome guy. He got the Twister license plate and the winner of the Fritos.
All right, everybody, we're going to announce the car show awards. Everybody want to gather around to the car show entry or registration table.
You're near the bank and Twister Museum. They don't know.
They're all coming. There's a crowd. We raised a total of $400 for the Twister Movie Museum. Woo! This is all of you guys. This is all of you guys. So thank you for that. And now we're going to do the awards. So we're going to start with best show car. And that one is going to go to the number 16 of Paul Bowler. If I pronounce that right.
Hey!
Yeah. Ryan DeVries.
He's way down there by his truck.
Way over on the corner. I'll get
I'll go get Brian. Well, he has to come up here for pictures, so. Okay, I'll go get Brian. Okay, next one.
All right.
While we're waiting for him, we're going to move on.
Best truck.
Best classic car. This one, I appreciate this one. This is the number 22 of Mike. I'm going to butcher this last name, so I'm sorry, Mike. Just any Jeep that's here. It's going to go to the number 44 of Matt Rara. Yeah, I'm going to butcher that last name too.
Congratulations.
Thanks, buddy.
All right.
Best chase vehicle.
I voted for you too.
Number 7 of Brandon Alexander. Come on up here, Brandon. By quite a bit, so kind of opposite of the last one. By a landslide vote, number 70 of TIF 2. Ryan, get up here. Run, Ryan, run. Run, Ryan!
Technically.
Technically, that's right. This one was also really close. This was down to one vote. Made the deciding factor on this one's going to be the number 35 of Brian DeVries again.
I got a pretty truck. No,
What's the next one?
I called that. I fucking called that. All right, next up is going to be People's Choice. This one is another second-time winner. Number 22 of Mike. I'm going to butcher the last name if I pronounce it.
Sweet.
Choose from, so it's going to be two huge lines. But it's going to come down to Leo and his Jeep replica.
I surrender my trophy to Zoe though.
No.
Because I'm the one to make it.
Just-
Oh, okay.
Here, I'll do it.
Okay.
Take a selfie.
If I find
It's on record. Yes, it's gonna record off.
Which one do I push?
Loadie, baby.
This one or this one?
Alright, so we'll turn that off.
This one's going to come down to the number 33 of Jeff Porter.
Hey. Awesome.
Legally, I can't say congratulations for rival stations. Just a Ram model in the class. This one's going to be down to the 43 of Zoe Girl Haynes now. Get a picture.
Alright, picture.
All right, next up is furthest travel. This one was whoever, the person who came the furthest to be in the show today. And this one's going to be to the group from Wisconsin.
It's a Model T.
All the way out here. Is it 22? There's two. They have the couch car.
Yeah. Couch car?
Who brought the couch car?
It's a Model T.
Oh.
Somebody's from Wisconsin. They came by and bought a shirt from me. Said it was the first time to be here.
I know, I registered somebody from Wisconsin.
Yeah.
It's the one with the Chevrolet wagon.
Okay, where is he?
Who has the Chevrolet wagon? You came the furthest.
That sounds like my truck. No, I'm not worried about belt issues. Sure.
Alright, so this one here is the most likely to get subzone. It's voted the most unrealized ideas unrealized of the best Jonas.
And in tongue of cheek, the only people that's really ever been suck zone before is the tip guys.
Somebody say something about Greece.
Is the Twister Fanatics panel. This is one that I choose, and I know that there is someone here that helps out at the museum a lot, and bringing Dorothy, so I'm going to hand this award to you.
I don't know who I got. We can't hear anything down there.
Don't mind me.
Down. Well, here we are. Jesus Denver is milking his cow.
Yes, I'm milking my cow.
See?
Is that right, Moo Moo? Moo 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 moo. I think the guy like it. Moo moo moo
If your team just went out, come back. You got somebody. Last, the same time.
Now he's doing all right. We have now gone to rated 18. We're closing out for the night.